Hello students, today we are going to start the introduction of pathology. What is pathology? Pathology, it is the scientific study of nature of diseases, the causes of diseases, the processes of the diseases, mechanism and effects are known as pathology. If the cell fail to adapt under stress, they undergo certain changes leading to cell injury. Cell injury is two types. First is reversible injury, second is irreversible injury. If cell recovers from its situation, it is known as reversible injury. If cell dies, it is known as irreversible injury. All the forms of tissue injury start with molecular or structure alteration in cells. The normal cell undergoes modification in its structure and function in response to changes in the demand and structure. Now, what is homeostasis? Homeo word derives from two words, homeo plus stasis. Homeo means same, stasis means stable. Remaining stable by remaining the same is homeostasis. It is a process in which each of body biochemical or physiological variables like body temperature, oxygen, sodium, calcium, glucose levels and pH are maintained within a set point range. Example: temperature regulation, regulation of blood carbon dioxide level, regulation of blood glucose level. It involves negative feedback loop that counteract changes of various properties from their target values known as set points. Next is components and types of feedback system. There is three basic components are involved in every feedback loop. Sensory mechanism. The process of regulation first requires the body to be able to sense or identify the variable being controlled. If deviations from normal set point range occur, the sensor generates a signal from nerve impulse to transmit that information to the second component. Next is integrating or control center. When control center receives input from a homeostatic center, that information is analyzed and integrated with input from other sensors. Next is effectors mechanism. Effectors are organs such as muscles, glands that directly influence controlled physiological variables. The activities of effectors are ultimately regulated by feedback of information regarding their own effects on a controlled variable. Next is positive feedback control system. It is explained with diagram, that is thermoreceptor in hypothalamus. When